On WhatsApp, if you want to send disappearing messages, you can do that. What disappearing messages means is that the message will be automatically deleted by WhatsApp after 24 hours, 7 days, or the time that you set. So if you want those messages deleted automatically, you can chat with anyone using disappearing messages. In this video, we'll be telling you how to enable disappearing messages on WhatsApp. For this, open the WhatsApp application. After that, select the contact you want to chat with using disappearing messages. For example, I'm selecting this chat. After that, above you can see 3 dots. Click on those 3 dots and here you can see disappearing messages. Select disappearing messages, and when you're selecting that, you can see it will be turned off by default. But if you want to enable disappearing messages, you need to set a time. Here you can see 24 hours, 7 days, and 90 days. So that means if you're selecting 24 hours, the message will be deleted after 24 hours. And if you're selecting 7 days, the message will be deleted in 7 days. So for example, I'm selecting 24 hours. And after that, if you go back, the disappearing messages will be turned on, and from here onwards, if you send any messages, those messages will be deleted at that specific time. So this way you can easily enable disappearing messages on WhatsApp. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you found it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.